Yo, what's up guys, it's Keyman here, and today we are having my birthday party! Woo! So we're planning on having a Nerf war. My mom has been out of the office since like 8 o'clock, setting up. And it's time for us to head down with Miss Oreo. Say hi, Oreo. Boop. So we're gonna head down the hill to the office, and we're gonna have some fun. Come on, girl. Down. Huh?
We never.
Ow! Ah! Ow! Ah. Alright then. You're fired.
You're fired.
You're fired. You watching the book?
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
Don't do that.
I'll show you guys. Oh, sorry, girl. I'm gonna forget you're here. Sorry.
Look at your tail.
Oh, I'm sorry, girl. I forgot you were here. I'll try to scare you guys.
She's so good.
Yeah, I need to.
Grandma would pet you.
Yeah, I protect her too.
You scare the shit out of her all the time.
I
Poor puppy.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, first person has arrived, Vanessa, my mom's old friend, and she's a Vikings fan, which I don't like, but she does like Prince, which is great. And she got me another Best Buy gift card. Thank you. Anything you want to Anything you want to say?
I hope that you get what you want with that. I'm not a person who likes getting gift cards, but I know you like all kinds of like techie things.
Oh god, there's so many things at Best Buy that I want.
So I'm hoping that you can find something really awesome with that and hopefully combine with other gift cards too.
Thank you.
Oh, she got one, a couple on there.
I'm really happy you started working on those. I thought you were, because you had
Hey Logan.
Hi. Quick vlog this already.
Yep. What's up, man?
This is my mom. Kelly.
Do I do a fist pump too, or what do you do?
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
And then that's one of my friends that brought a crud ton of pizza.
Ooh.
Like,
There may be one or two pizzas.
yeah, there's literally 8 or 9, I think.
And you're how old now?
14. Wait.
4?
Yeah. 15. No, 9. 9.
9.
How are you, Phil?
Doing alright, Keandre. How are you?
Good.
Here.
Got these. Yeah. I'm gonna murder some people. Open. There's. What? Why is everyone showing up? Why is everyone showing up at the same time? Hey, Magnus.
That mean your mama!
Yes, who is this?
Happy
birthday!
Thank you.
Good to see you. This is Logan.
Oh, look, we can put
Hi.
you to a workout. That's
What?
your, we can, Eric
No.
can design a birthday workout
No.
for you.
No. There's Will.
Now, or
Hey, Will. All right, let's go.
Gotta get the pros.
This was mini drones. Yeah, it is. Does it have a warranty?
no kidding.
Remember the last one that flew away? Oh my
It's got
god.
2.4 gigahertz, so it's on its own
Good.
frequency.
Good.
Put on.
Alright. Alright, Brock, let's see.
Did she lick you?
You did not.
I didn't know if you had gotten that, but
You did not.
I just think that thing's cool because you can actually watch it.
Wait.
It broke the last one. The last one flew away, didn't it?
Oh my god.
A few moments later.
Oh, but
What is? Oh my god, Will, they bought me a matching one. Holy shit. Oh the crap. I don't know. Will, you're dead. I saw it. You're dead, Will.
So now you have. Wait, you got that too? So he's got this
Yeah,
one.
he's
and
bought it for me.
Okay.
Or not, my mom just did.
Yeah, it's been in our house for like a month.
Maybe you dropped something.
Yeah.
The tree line, don't go too far by the cars. Just don't go to the dog park because it's literally full of poop.
My brother shot me with those and it made me cry. Ow!
Oh, good lord. So this thing, it does not shoot straight whatsoever.
Hold on, do these guns have the same ammo as this and the sniper?
Yeah.
Ow!
Hit.
Hold on a minute. Oh!
So guys, if you haven't already, make sure to go subscribe to my channel. Link will be in the description. And let's get back into the Nerf war. Now go walk in the mud.
I am in the mud.
You just put the thing in. Oh, he's got the sniper. So we can't shoot the little kids.
Oh, it curved! It almost got him! Did you see that curve? Oh no!
We got it.
Someone throw
He's coming. Run. Fall back. Fall back.
It's not gonna hit me because that thing has horrible accuracy. It's like a shotgun. Oh! Okay. Woo!
It hit me.
Really? Oh, gee.
Keep man's wrecking little kids.
Do a somersault.
Wall flip.
Parkour. Alright, scroll you, I'm jumping. Oh, son of a B.
Don't.
Or can we not see it? Can I just make a wish? Or can we just
Nope, it's time to sing.
No.
Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
We're going outside. Oh my god, oh my god, oh, it's in my phone. Wait, it's in freaking VR. I'm done.
Yeah, you are. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yup. Ready?
Oh wow. Okay, I'm going towards the trees, I think.
You are.
Go down. What just happened?
You totally crash landed.
And fly. Camera height.
Back up.
I don't want to see.
Is it like hover?
No, turn on.
Stop.
That way.
Just kill it. You're near a tree. Ooh. Stop.
Oh, yep, yes.
It's like getting out of sight. Bye, Baggy.
See it, hold on. Try to turn around. Ow. Thank you guys for watching. I am sorry about the lack of videos lately. I've been really busy and easy. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe, like, check out my social media. Make sure you guys check out my merch. All that will be down in the description down below. And I shall see you guys next time. Boop.